Hi children, good morning. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about summer safety. In the summer, we're going to be going different places. Maybe we'll be in Deal, maybe we'll be in Brooklyn, maybe you'll go on a trip somewhere during the day. And it's important wherever we go to remember certain safety rules to keep us safe, to protect us. So we have rules like we never talk to strangers, unless mommy and daddy tell us it's okay. We have rules like we don't go to the pool by ourselves. We always go with an adult. We don't open the door for strangers. When it's very hot, we're going to wear sunscreen to protect our skin, and we're going to wear light clothing like t-shirts and shorts and light dresses so that it's not too hot. We're going to remember to drink. It's important to drink a lot of water when it's hot outside to keep us hydrated and healthy, to make sure that our bodies are working properly. And another thing that we can do to help us stay safe is to bring a first aid kit with us. Do you know what a first aid kit is? A first aid kit is a little tiny, it could be a bag, a box, any container, and it's filled with certain things that you need to help keep you safe. Like, maybe you'll bring some Band-Aids with you, in case you get a boo-boo, to cover it up. Maybe you'll bring, you know what this is? This is a special cream that you put on if you have a boo-boo that's open. You put it on to clean it, to make sure it stays safe and helps it heal, and then usually you put a Band-Aid on top. Maybe you want to put hand sanitizer in your case. Yeah, so that you can clean your hands when there's no soap nearby. Maybe you'll want to put, these are special Purell wipes. It's like hand sanitizer on a wipe. That if something's dirty, you can wipe it off before you sit down. It helps keep germs away. So today I wanted to make my own first aid kit. I'm going to show you how so you can do it too. The first step is to have mommy help you print out your first aid bag, and you can either write your name or maybe mommy and daddy could help you, but I want you to try first. Maybe, do you know the first letter of your name? What does it sound like? I'm going to write out my name here. Here. If you want, you can also color it in, make it pretty. Next, I need a container to put my first aid kit in. So, I got a bag, a Ziploc bag, and I am going to tape this onto the bag. Take some scotch tape, and we're going to tape it on that. Oh, and I'm going to put one more piece of tape to make it stick. That. There we go. Now what am I going to put inside my kit? Well, like we said before, I want to put something in case I fall down. I want to make sure that if I get a boo-boo, I'm going to be okay. So I'm going to choose some Band-Aids. I'm going to put in a few Band-Aids. Let me show you the back where you can see. I'm going to put in this cream. That cream helps protect us also. I'm going to put in a hand sanitizer. And I'm going to put in my Purell wipes. I'm going to have to fold them. They're not going to fit so well. Alright. That's what's in my first aid kit. What are you going to put in yours? I wonder what else you have in your house. You can ask mommy and daddy what you can put in your first aid kit to keep you safe. And now whenever I go on a trip, I can bring this with me to help me stay safe this whole summer. Can't wait to see what you put in yours. Have fun making a first aid kit.